Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. So, I think many of you know by now that for my audio latency tests, I often use the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus as my benchmark for Android devices. And so, during this period, I've gotten to know this phone pretty well, so I was kind of interested in all these leaks coming out about the up-and-coming Galaxy Note 20, which is expected to be launched at the Samsung Unpacked event this coming August the 5th. But now we have an actual hands-on video of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is from YouTuber Jimmy is Promo, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna analyze this footage frame by frame so that we can see in greater detail what this video is telling us. There's a link to the video in the description box in case you guys want to watch it. Okay, now let's move on to playing the video. We start off at the home screen, the settings menu. Okay, about phone. Here we see the Note 20 Ultra's model number. It has been rumored for a very long time that SMN986U will be the model number of the Note 20 Ultra. This appears to be true. Okay, it goes into the software information. This one uses One UI version 2.5. The Note 10 Plus that I'm using right now, this is using One UI version 2.1. So this is obviously a more advanced version, a newer version of One UI. Okay, let's move on. Right, the phone on the right is the Note 10 Plus, the one in blue. The phone on the left is the Note 20 Ultra. And as you can see, the Note 20 Ultra appears to be a little thicker than the Note 10 Plus. S Pen location and speaker has been moved. Yes, the S Pen, the location of the S Pen used to be on the left side of the, or rather the right side of the phone, but now it's been moved to the left side. So has the speaker grill gone to the left side too from the right side. Also, the camera bump appears to be much thicker than the camera bump of the Note 10 Plus. This is to be expected because the Note 20 Ultra is rumored to feature a camera system that can rival that of the S20 Ultra in many ways, with the exception of 100 times space zoom. That feature is most probably not going to make its way to the Note 20 Ultra. So just like the S20 Ultra, it's not very likely that you can place your phone flat on the table like the Note 10 Plus. Let's move on. Okay, so we are moving on to the next scene. Now here we can see some confirmation that the thickness of the Note 20 Ultra is going to be a little thicker than the Note 10 Plus. Okay, and this is basically to confirm that both styluses are interchangeable. The S Pen of the Note 10 Plus is the same S Pen, or rather it is of the same dimensions as the one that comes with the Note 20 Ultra. Let's move on. Here we get a closer look at the Note 20 Ultra's camera system, and as you can see, it's a much more elaborate camera system than the Note 10 Plus. Something that looks a lot like the camera system of the S20 Ultra. It's got 3 lens elements, yes, quite similar to that of the Note 10 Plus, but you notice the lenses are bigger. And there are rumors that the Note 20 Ultra will also feature a 108 megapixel camera sensor. That sensor is going to be for its main camera. Now, if you compare that to the sensor that's in the Note 10 Plus, which is like a 12 megapixel sensor, there's a huge gap in terms of capability, in terms of the detail level that you can possibly capture on the camera system of the Note 20 Ultra compared to Note 10 Plus. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to get a closer look at the lens elements. One of them is most probably going to be a wide-angle lens, ultra-wide angle, and a zoom camera. But we'll see how far it can zoom when it finally launches. Okay, let's carry on with the video. S Pen. Okay. Now, you can use the S Pen now as a pointer, right? So you can use it to point and click at the screen without the nib actually touching the screen, which is pretty cool. Laser pointer, you can also use it as a, well, I don't, a laser pointer trail when you move the pen around. I think that can be useful in a certain way because sometimes you just want to make sure that you are pointing at the right icon. So yeah, I can see how that can be useful. You can customize the colors. Okay, let's move on. Yep. Oh, okay. So he says that there's gonna be a bigger bump on the Note 20 Ultra compared to the S20 Ultra. I don't have the S20 Ultra with me, so I can't really do a side-by-side comparison. But yeah, I think so. It appears that this has a thicker bump than what it looked like from the other angle. Flat top and bottom. This one, okay, let's see if this is different from the Note 10 Plus. It looks about the same. What does he mean by flat top and bottom? Well, the Note 10 Plus has got a bit of a curve to the sides. Maybe this is what he meant when he says that the Note 20 Ultra will have a flatter top and bottom. Let's play. Okay, from different angles, and that's it. That was a very short video. I mean, the actual footage was around 90 seconds long, which is not much, but the video showed us some things that we didn't know about the Note 20 Ultra, but now we know. Like the size of the camera bump, the thickness of the phone in relation to the Note 10 Plus, the location of the S Pen cradle and the speaker, the S Pen being interchangeable with the S Pen of the Note 20 Ultra. I mean, these are things that we wouldn't have known otherwise. Of course, some of you might say that it's a little unfair comparing the Note 20 Ultra to the Note 10 Plus because the Ultra is supposed to be like the more powerful version, right? But considering what Jimmy says in his description box, he says that he believes that there are only two sizes. There will be a Note 20 and a Note 20 Ultra. There's no Plus model in between. So you know what? I think the Note 20 Ultra is really the upgraded version of the Note 10 Plus. Of course, the Note 20 Ultra is expected to be launched come August the 5th, and I can't wait. But before then, I suspect that there may be more leaks and rumors about the Note 20 Ultra that may come out before the actual launch event. And I will be covering these leaks and rumors and the actual launch event. So if you want to stay tuned for more videos from this channel, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance 2020 style and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next video. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going and I appreciate your support, bros.